Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna check out an amazing accessory for the AirTag. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. Apple's $29 product, the AirTag, not only brought a new way to track and find the lost item, but at the same time it even brought a chance for the users to customize their AirTag by copying different cases on it. So for today's video, our friends at ESR Gear have sent their newly launched product called Tag Holder that basically is a case for the AirTag. And if you aren't familiar with ESR Gear, then I must tell you the fact that they are one of the much known names when it comes to making accessories for various devices. And before I forget, the link to their site is in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. In terms of packaging, the tag holder comes in this envelope that you need to open up to reveal the product. So let's quickly open this up and check out the tag holder. So here's a fact. ESR Gear delivers the tag holder in a pair of two. And they have sent me the color combination that's black and white. But you can even choose from the other color options or say combinations that are available on their store. So here's what I think of the tag holder. First of all, talking about the build quality and the material used, since it's silicone, it feels absolutely soft, light in weight and flexible. And adding the AirTag isn't much of a trouble. It's absolutely easy to do. Okay, so let's be honest, the reason why I fell in love with the product is because of the decent quality of the clasp with which it comes. And since the clasp is different, you can hook the AirTag to many more things around you. Like I have attached this to my AirPods Pro. In short, ESR Gear's tag holder that is priced at $9.60 that amounts to $699 INR is definitely a must-buy accessory if you're thinking to get a case for your AirTag, as it's soft, flexible and protective. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.